So another rewind performance, soon forward by Jody and Pantry Brooks.
Okay, so this morning, that's Jody and Pantry, by the way, Brooks. Love her voice. Amazing voice. So this morning, our producer is tasking us to do our very own COVID PSA.
Tasking you.
Can't be me, because my brain can't wrap around
No,
that
you
this
are
morning.
the talent.
No.
Plus you are a singer.
I wonder if you guys have seen DJ Power spin on our Prime Minister's COVID speech. Have you? No? All right, Sita.
The coronavirus cannot move around by itself. If we control our movement, we can control the spread. If you do not have urgent matters to attend to, stay at home. If you have a cough, sneeze, sniffle, fever, stay at home. Flu-like symptoms or any respiratory illness, stay at home. If you do not have urgent matters to attend to, stay at home. By order under the Disaster Risk Management Act, stay at home. If you must go to the market, make a list and shop by it. Do not stay longer than necessary. Make a list and shop by it. Avoid touching surfaces. Avoid crowds and standing close. And use a mask or a scarf to cover nose and mouth. If you have a cough, sneeze, sniffle, fever, stay at home. Flu-like symptoms or any respiratory illness, stay at home. Tan at your yard. By order under.
I post dropping. I'm not sure.
DJ Power, morning, sir.
Morning, Neville. Morning, Simone.
Morning.
Oh, God, everything all right?
Yeah, man, we're there, you know?
I know you guys are so talented, but having said that, how easy, how difficult was that for you to do, or it was no big thing at all?
This one was easier than the normal because it was only a minute long. So I was able to fully get into the message really quickly. Otherwise, it would have taken a few days.
So, yo, Power, you did kind of cross it, don't it?
Yeah, man.
That is the baddest tune. Why we never find that one? That never make you cry. Never make you laugh till you cry. 7.5 million views on YouTube, Bertrand?
Yeah.
Oh my God.
So you're just born for trouble people, right?
Really?
Yeah, pretty much.
But it shows your creative genius, so that's amazing. How is this latest one doing with the Prime Minister?
Not as good, of course, because I didn't push it on YouTube. It is on YouTube, I didn't push it on YouTube mainly. It was mostly Instagram and Twitter that I had put it out on. But that's a very good. It got a retweet by Prime Minister, comments from hundreds of people. And a lot of people have reached out and said, yo, brother, you're bad enough. And I say, yo, wicked man, you DJ boy, you need to do this more often. And things. So it's been a good time.
You reached out to the Prime Minister before you did it, or no?
No, I tagged him on Twitter and on Instagram. So I think his PR people saw it and I was like, yo, this is cool.
So how did you start out doing this, guy?
Okay, so I've never said I love trouble people. Right? So I think the first one I did was What I Did, if you remember that hilarious interview about the people incursion. That was the first one I did. I came from something I saw online where some people were doing something similar. And I picked it up. I have the video editing skills, I have the music production skills, and I decided to try it on my own.
Wow.
It's fantastic. So apparently me and Simone supposed to be doing something. Well, talk about trouble people. I have no idea what I do. She's the expert.
No.
She's the expert. But you say you'll vote for me.
No, if this is about troubling people, it is clear that this one, you have the advantage.
Well, I trouble people plenty.
Okay.
But I trouble people without quality. That man, I trouble people with plenty quality.
True. You make a good point.
All right, so we're going to run a little rhythm and we'll see what we can do. And you're supposed. You have to help me out though, yeah?
Write something down. Write down something now. Yeah. Give us 30 seconds. Give us the rhythm and then make us write down something. Run the rhythm like I hear.
Ready?
Wait, no man. You ready already?
Run the rhythm now, man. All right. That first me have to know if you write the rhythm. The virus still a keep. Better you stay home and sleep.
Go on, take it away, Neville.
No, that mistake.
You can't have two
So
lines.
the virus still a keep. Better you stay home and sleep. If you go to the road, curfew will catch you. You know police will watch you. Eh?
Fine.
Find things to do in your yard. Even if it means just feed the dog. Stay in your room. Find a broom. Do some sweeping. If you can't do no sleeping. Well, for your laugh, it's so like that. Simone!
Respect. Uncle Spec. And also Helbo Spec. How much good now?
DJ Power, not bad.
Yeah, that no bad, man. That no bad.
That no bad, as Tammy Chin would say. That no bad. Alright.
Your time.
Run the rhythm, selector, because if we can
You know,
jump in a one tune. No, I actually wrote something down because my brain is not
you
firing.
wrote something?
Yeah, that's what I tell you to write something down. Alright. So, listen up now. So when it comes to COVID, people, use your head. Because if you don't, you might end up dead. Or worse, you might end up bridging and kill me and take me away from my family. No, sir. Behave yourself. Do what you are asked. Wash your hand. And please wear your mask. Stay far from people. Play by the rules because COVID is serious. So don't be a fool. Aye. Yeah.
So just
Take it to the press.
All right.
Go on again, babe.
So just wait. Don't go your gate.
Yes. Use the tools.
Yeah.
Don't be a fool.
COVID
Yeah.
still asleep.
Yeah.
So just go home and do it.
COVID still asleep, so go home and do it.
COVID still a keep.
Okay.
Yeah,
Gotcha.
we don't have no more lyrics.
Yeah, so you have some material power to build a thing and
Yeah.
you can circulate that one.
And don't matter say she win power, me will find where you live.
No.
It's a nice collab. Put them together.
Can mash it
I
up.
know
It's
it's called
a mash up.
Aye.
Yeah.
I learned it.
All right. See there? Okay, we'll see where it's going to go.
What's next? Outside of this, so what's happening with you now?
I started my own company, DJ Power Productions, where I offer full media coverage for events, whether it's DJ, I'm a full-time disc jockey, whether it's DJ, sound, video, photography, stage lighting, all of that. So it's a multimedia company.
Fantastic. And that's on the road. That's up and moving now.
Yeah, well, since Corona, it slowed down quite a bit, but of course, looking up to when things get back to normal.
Yeah. And and I'm going to use this word deliberately, with the arms house now, what is next for that?
This video.
I'm still looking. Anything that catches my eye, then I'll definitely put something to it. You know, I can't give up the arms out.
You know, say I have one for you, though, you know. I have one for you, though, Power. The other day, there was a lady on the news. It was going around, so it was viral. Who was talking about her dog had been hurt. And she was talking about her Poodle Chipsu puppy. You saw it?
No.
That he, in testament, the car ran over him and in testament had to clean up because him in testament did damage. Chipsu, Poodle puppy. Yeah, you need to find it.
No,
it's very...
I prefer the lady who is a vegetarian and they gave her
the
curry
goat.
goat.
Well, they can mash up that in
I
it.
didn't know that goat was
You can mash
a
up that
vegetable.
too. But you don't know if that is real. But I saw the lady with my horn of 4 eye talking about her Chipsu Pogo puppy who the carrying over him and mash up is in testament. I don't know what your in testament are, but let I tell you, it was a good clip.
Yeah.
Would make for a good mash up.
Yeah, man, Kevin, good to see you, my friend. I hope the new business works for you. I suspect it will, because you're so very, very talented. So keep doing what you're doing and stay safe, you and your family. All right?
Thank you, Power.
All right.
Thanks for having me, guys.
All right.
No problem.
Well, I kind of like that, Judge, because I never make me feel bad and say it's a good
You pay say body no use.
It's a good
Where you
collab.
go? How the broom part go?
Eh?
Stay in your room.
Stay in your room, find a broom.
Sleep or sweep?
Sweep in case you can't sleep.
And what about your gate?
Just wait.
Okay.
Don't go your gate.
All right.
We're going to take a break.
Yeah, stay by your stump. Because you won't need the asthma pump.
Push! Push!